If you have deleted a message on your Apple Watch, the first thing to understand is that the watch doesn't store messages independently. It simply mirrors your iPhone. This means that when a message is deleted on the iPhone, it's automatically deleted on the Apple Watch as well. That's why your first step should always be to check your iPhone. If the message is still available there, it will sync back to the Apple Watch automatically. No extra steps or settings required. If the message is missing from your iPhone and you're using iOS 16 or newer, open the Messages app and check the recently deleted folder. Deleted messages are kept there for around 30 to 40 days. And if you find the message, you can restore it instantly and it will sync back to your Apple Watch as well. If the message has been permanently deleted, the only built-in recovery option is restoring your iPhone from an older iCloud or iTunes backup that was created before the message was deleted. Keep in mind that restoring a backup will remove any data added after that backup date. In some cases, you may also be able to recover deleted iPhone messages using reliable data recovery software. For example, Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone can scan existing backups and help you selectively recover messages without resetting your entire device. Once the message is restored on your iPhone, it will automatically sync back to your Apple Watch. Overall, there is no app or trick that can recover messages directly from an Apple Watch. Message recovery always depends on what's available on your iPhone. If this video helped you, like it, follow for more honest tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.